What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So on my Instagram live, I asked everyone to take part in a poll, and the poll was deciding what the aesthetic for this video would be. And the two aesthetics were a dark with purples and like a gloomy sort of undertone, and then the other aesthetic was bright, like yellow, fire, like very, very bright and sunny. So the result ended up being pretty close, and the bright sunny side actually won over the dark purple gloomy side. So since the bright sunshine look ended up winning, that's the look that we are going to be doing today. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into the tutorial. So starting off, I'm just going to do my eyebrows and cover my forehead area in foundation off camera, and I will be right back and we will get started with our eyes. Alright, so as you can see, our eyebrows are nice and on there and nice and cleaned up. So we can start moving on to our eyes. So for our eye look today, we're going to be doing a severe cut crease, and I'm going to be taking Red Rum by Jeffree Star Cosmetics to cut and define the crease. So without taking any extra product, I'm just going to blend that up. Now taking the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, I'm going to be taking the top orange shade, and I'm going to blend that into where I just put the red. So continuing with our blend, we are going to add the yellow shade from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. So I'm going to be taking Love by Sugarpill just so I can really deepen up the crease part. So now that our cut crease is blended and everything looks really smooth and sweet, we can go ahead and carve out our lid, and I'm going to be using Jeffree Star Cosmetics Drug Lord. So while that is still kind of tacky and drying down, we're going to add Taco by Sugarpill. So now that our crease and our lid is nice and sharp and clean, we can go ahead and work on our eyeliner. And today I'm going to be using the NYX That's the Point liner in the Hella Fine, very, very small, thin one. We really want this liner to be very, very precise, so having a small liner will allow us to get as sharp and as detailed as possible. So moving right along, we can put our foundation on the lower half of our face. And once our entire face is covered in foundation, we can go ahead and contour. And once you're happy with the contour, you can set everything in place. Alright, so because the contour is kind of light still, I really want to reinforce it, so I'm going to add some powder contour on top. To highlight the bridge of my nose, I'm going to be using a little bit of Drug Lord by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. For my blush today, I'm going to be using Dolly Pop by Sugarpill. So we are going to line our eyes with white liner, and we are going to extend that just a little bit further out here, just to make the illusion that our eye is a little bit more elongated. And to set that in place, we're going to be using Sugarpill's Taco. now that we have our white liner on, we can go ahead and continue on with the rest of our eye. And basically we're going to do the exact same thing that we did with the top of our eye, just on the bottom. So I'm going to line right underneath where the white is with the red, and then I'm going to blend out with the orange and the yellow. And now going into my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to take the orange shade and I'm going to put that on top and blend out the red that we just put down. And now just going into that yellow, we are going to blend out the orange. So because our look is going to be like a redhead, I really wanted to have the freckles to match. So I'm going to be using Posh Spice by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I took a bobby pin and I bent it into sort of like a shape like this, just let the little nubs are like closer to each other. And I'm going to dab it into Posh Spice and I'm just going to dot it all over my face. For my highlight today, I'm going to be using Gator Wings from the Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen Tarte palette. So for my lipstick today, I'm going to be using Gemini by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So just to set everything in place, I'm going to be taking my Matte Finish Setting Spray by NYX. So this is the completed makeup look. I just have to put my wig and my costume on and I'll be right back with the full look. So this is the completed look. As you can see, I went for a very warm, summery look. So very orange and very yellow, kind of reminded me of the sun. So if you guys liked this video, make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit that little notification bell just so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to all of my social media. And yeah, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys so much. And until the next one, I will have to say goodbye. Bye guys!